Pandora was once a land of peace, but no light lasts forever. I heard Awa whisper, she is warning us. A darkness is coming. You cannot see it, but it is everywhere. It is Awa's shadow, and it is erasing every spark of life. Even the ocean is no longer safe. The reefs are dying. That is why we must unite. Alone, no one survives. The battle will rage in the sky and in the sea. If the tree goes dark, Awa will fall silent. We are the light. We are Awa's voice. When sky and sea fight as one, hope returns. Even the smallest hand can defeat the darkness. This is not the end. This is only the beginning.